How to make a face mask out of bananas. Bananas possess several important qualities for skin health and beauty. This makes it a perfect fruit for making face masks and to prevent afflictions like acne. It also slows the formation of wrinkles and is very important for healing areas affected by some illnesses, like psoriasis. If you're looking for a natural, easy, and affordable treatment for soft skin, free of impurities, look no further. The answer is near hand. Banana mask for healthy skin. The most common way of using banana for beauty treatments is by applying a face mask, made from blending the banana into a smooth puree. Afterwards, apply the mask to your face, letting it set for 20 minutes. Then wash with warm water, and dry your face with a clean towel. Bananas are rich in potassium, making it an excellent product for preventing wrinkles, and helping to minimize already existent wrinkles. Make a banana puree for this, and mix in 1 tablespoon of honey. Let set until it turns brown. Wash your face well before applying, then apply to the entire face, including the area underneath the eyes. Let set for 30 minutes, washing afterwards with warm water. You can use this mask at least 3 times a week, even though you can use it more if you like. Banana peels work too. Banana peels are rich in antioxidants, minerals, and vitamins, which carry large amounts of benefits for the skin. For example, for treating an insect bite, rub a banana peel over the bite, and it will slowly begin to calm the issue. This also helps heal wounds quicker. In some cases, it can help remove warts. Simply place a bit of banana peel on the affected area for 5 to 10 minutes, every night. Banana peel is also fairly effective at making acne outbreaks disappear. This can make outbreaks completely disappear, and will not leave marks on the skin. You should use this treatment every night, and do not stop using it until the problem has completely disappeared. You can also use this same method to reduce psoriasis symptoms.